Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain how to create a conditional formatting rule in Excel. So in this worksheet I have this students course data in different tests. Okay, now I want to highlight score greater than 90. So these type of scenarios we need to use this conditional formatting rule in Excel. Okay, now I will show you how to create conditional formatting rule in Excel. First we need to select this all test data. Okay, once we are selecting all the test data, see here we have option called conditional formatting option. Just click on this option. Whenever you are click on this option, automatically already predefined conditional formatting rules here appear. Okay, if you want to create customized rule based on your requirement, we can use this option, new rule option. So right now I am focusing only predefined conditional formatting rule, so that's why I'm selecting this highlight cell rules option. In this cell rules option I will select this greater than option. Okay, so whenever we are selecting this greater than option, automatically it will give one dialog box. So in this dialog box we need to enter as a 90. It means whatever values are greater than 90, those values are highlighted in this particular data. Okay, if you want to change this cell's color, we can choose this option. Okay, now I want to highlight cell's color green fill with dark green text. See, automatically preview will appear. Then click on OK button. Automatically this conditional formatting rule gets created. Okay, if you want to test this conditional formatting rule functionality, we can change any one cell data. Let's suppose I want to change this cell data as 95. Whenever you are enter as a 95, automatically this cell also get highlighted. Why? Because we are applying over 90 scores are highlighted, so that's why this color is applied automatically. Okay, now if you want to see existing rules on this worksheet, we can select any one cell in this data, then click on this conditional formatting option. See here we have option called manage rules option. Okay, just select this option. Automatically existing conditional formatting rules are applied in this rules manager area. Okay, so lot of people made a big mistake is they are selecting outside cell, then click on this manage rule option. But whenever you are selecting this manage rule option, that rule is not displayed in this rules manager area. So such type of scenarios we need to use this drop down and select this worksheet as a option. Okay, whenever selecting this worksheet option, automatically applied rules are displayed in this rules manager area. Okay, so like this we can create rule and view rule in Excel. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.